After years of grinding, building, tweaking, I finally released my first Roblox game, and then nothing. No players, no buzz, just crickets. It failed. But why? Why? I followed the checklist: a catchy thumbnail, clear gameplay, progression system, not a straight up copy, but familiar enough. The game had it all. A tried and tested game loop. Race, earn coins, buy upgrades, repeat. And still, nothing. I just wanted to give up. Maybe Roblox isn't the platform for me. Maybe I should just move on. Unity, Unreal, anywhere but here. After some soul searching, I remembered why I started. It wasn't to get likes on my game. It wasn't to make money. But it was for me and my kids. It began as a fun little speedrun game for our family to play. And somewhere along the way, I lost sight of that. At first it was simple and fun, but it all changed when I saw that we'd created a game that could be popular. And then came the feature creep. Oh, this would be cool. And what if I had this? Maybe the players would love this too. Feature after feature piled up, some half finished, some barely tested. Each thing made the game more fragile and less fun. New features were dumped in and pushed out with little testing. And worst of all, people actually found the game. They just found a broken game. Maybe I could have saved it. But every bug felt like I was fighting a monster with 100 heads. The codebase had exploded. Thousands of lines of code, hundreds of files, all for what's essentially an hobby. One of the simplest types of games on Roblox. And for me, it had just lost its fun. There was no polish, no game juice, just clutter. I tried patching it with tutorials, better thumbnails, minor fixes, but the real problem was just too big. I'd built a house without a blueprint, no plan, no focus. And that's why my game failed. It wasn't the platform, it wasn't the audience, it wasn't the concept, it was me. One word: planning. And after shelving the game, I started my YouTube channel, sharing what I'd learned, hoping maybe I could help someone learn something new. And then something surprising happened when I challenged myself to making a game in 24 hours. It was simple, it was focused, and it was fun. Because I started with a plan. Game development is a creative process and it should grow and evolve. But without boundaries, your project's going to spiral out of control. Start with a plan and keep your goals clear. Finish features before adding new ones and don't overcomplicate what's meant to be simple. As a solo dev, you can't build everything. You don't need to. You just need to build something solid. And that's my new approach, and I'll be taking you guys along the ride in my next project. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.